This is Tally reporting to you from Builder.com from the 2009 West Coast Green Conference in San Francisco. And I'm here with Eric from Harpiris Energy, and he's going to tell us a bit about their Suncache solar hot water system that's actually all made out of plastic.
Hi, thanks for having me. We developed this product at a company called Harpiris Energy Group with a grant from the Department of Energy. It was a 10-year R&D process, about $2 million of government funding. And in 2008, we were ready to take the product to market, so we've created this new company. It's a startup firm called Harpiris Energy, and we've been shipping units now for about a year. We've got about 200 systems that we've shipped in so far in 2009.
Great, and you were telling me about the large solar installation that you guys just finished?
Right, we just finished our first large multi-unit installation. It's 2 apartment complexes in Sacramento. They are senior housing complexes, and there was some public funding involved with rehabbing these facilities, and so there were no incentives on this program. The project was made sense even without any incentives, and the same property owners now placed an order for 40 more systems for another similar building in Hanford.
Awesome. Okay, so let's take a look at the product. So can you tell us a little bit about how it works?
Sure. It's a completely passive system, which means there's no moving parts, there's no pumps or controls or any electricity involved. So it's we're making solar hot water. We're not generating electricity. It's basically a simple preheating system, which means that the cold city water enters the collector when somebody opens a tap inside the house. It moves through the copper heat exchanger and it extracts heat from 50 gallons that are held inside this plastic panel, and then it leaves our collector and goes to the inlet of any kind of water heater, be it the existing one or a tankless upgrade or commercial boilers.
So how is the system different than other solar water heaters on the market?
The biggest difference is that it's made mostly from plastic materials, which means that it's much lower cost. It's also much lighter to install the system, and we've developed the packaging so that it's pretty much an all-in-one solution. It means that in one big box, which we can send directly to the house, all the pieces needed to complete the installation are contained in that one box.
So David, you were mentioning that there's some new incentives coming out for solar hot water?
Right. A couple of years ago, there was a bill passed that created a statewide incentive for solar water heating in California. The Public Utilities Commission just issued a draft proposal. It's $275 million over the next 8 years. Includes $35 million for marketing. And the program is scheduled to begin on January 1st. We'll see if the IOUs are able to implement that as quick as that, but the PUC has said that any systems installed from here on out will be able to claim the rebate retroactively. And so the state incentive combined with the 30% federal tax credit means that people are pretty much getting these systems for half price. In fact, it's probably a little bit less than half.
Great. And what are the cost savings that we can expect with a system like this?
Well, it depends a lot on the type of fuel that you have in your backup water heater. With natural gas, it's about $150 a year. For larger households, they might save $200 a year. Electric water heaters, it could be $1,000, or they could be spending $1,000 to heat water, so it might be saving $500. And for propane, it's something in between, so say about $300 per year.
And you were mentioning to me before that the cost of installing one of these systems is significantly cheaper than other solar hot water heaters?
Yeah, the equipment cost is about $2,000. We have a variety of price points for quantities and some different packaging that we do. But with installation for a typical single-family home, it's about $3,500. Multi-unit or commercial installations, it's a little bit less than $3,000 per install. With incentives, that works out to as low as $335 per bedroom.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Well, we think there's tremendous opportunity for the solar water heating market to grow, particularly in California. When other states have implemented incentive programs, they've seen their markets double and triple in a year or two. And we think that that's going to happen here in California as well. And for that reason, we're looking to recruit dealers, people to help us to market the product, as well as to help us to install systems.
Great. So if you're a dealer, contact Harpiris Energy. So thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is Tally from Builder.com reporting to you from the 2009 West Coast Green Conference in San Francisco. Thank you for watching.